USDJPY approaching a very critical level of support at this very point right now, and also on the 4-hour chart we've seen the market begin to have this little retracement. If you look at Euro USD, we've seen this very move begin to play out, creation of a new high coming into play, and also on the 4-hour chart there is something very important here, a retracement coming also in the market. So all of these I'll be discussing in this very video to give a further breakdown on how you can take position on your trade and the perspective you should be looking at the market at the moment. Watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. On the USDJPY chart, if you look at this very point, you see the market come into this very point right here. We see this very little rejection. This very level of support is where we need to pay attention to, because the market have a very important divergence. So here is a critical level. I am expecting the market to begin to have retracement to the upside before continuation back down. Okay, so from this point market have to retrace, and we see the market slightly enter into this very zone of support. So from where the market is right now and this very area on the 1-day chart, pay attention to market begin to have retracement to the upside before continuation. This is very important right now. Remember, what we are seeing on the chart right now, this very aggressive move to the downside, is a result of the fact that there is a divergence, which I talked about on this very channel. Okay, so this divergence is very important, and it is on the 1-day chart. One thing we know about divergence is that the divergence on the 1-month chart is very, very strong and drive the market crazy than divergence on the 1-week chart. The same thing, divergence on the 1-week chart drive the market crazy compared to divergence on the 1-day chart. That is why divergence on the 1-day chart, as you can see right now, is driving the market crazy, unlike divergence you can see on the 4-hour chart. So this very aggressive move coming into the market right now is as a result of this divergence, and market will begin to retrace from this very area, because at this very point is a very important level of support. Why? Because when the market was moving all the way to the upside, from this very point market move, create a new high, and then come back down. This was the last point before the market move all the way to the upside, creating new highs from this very area. So if market enter here, it means that the market have high capacity from this very point to begin to retrace before continuation to the downside, and we must have to pay attention to the way the market retrace from this very point. So what I am looking out for right now is for the market to move a little bit here before we see the market begin to retrace back to the upside, and I'll be updating you as well on this very channel. So pay attention to the market moving down from here a little bit into this very level of support. Then from here we will have retracement before continuation to the downside. If you look at the RSI is already into the oversold condition, and then from here market is going to begin to move upward. That is when we'll begin to see this very retracement begin to come into play before continuation again to the downside on the 1-day chart USDJPY. So this divergence is very important, and it's playing out as expected at the moment. And on the 4-hour chart right here, if you notice, the market here have come all the way to the downside with this very retracement right now coming into the market. I am still expecting that this retracement come upward a little bit. That means we should see this move begin to move a little bit upward into this very level of resistance. Then from here market is going to come down again to have a retest or a fail swing, and I will be updating you on this very note. And then from here market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside in line with what I just talked about on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, pay attention to market still move a little bit upward before the continuation to the downside, and you need to be looking for sell opportunity. Okay, it is not time to begin to buy yet on USDJPY 4-hour chart. Pay attention to selling the market at the moment. And on the Euro USD chart, I was talking about the market moving all the way to the upside. If you look at this very chart, we have the market to move from this very point of support. We have a creation of this high, market come back down for retracement, market creates a new high, come back to the downside, and right now a new high have been created. And that's what I'll be talking about on this very channel right here. So right now, market is still going to move upward. That is my own perspective. Although market have created a new high, but I am still expecting that the market will create more highs, okay, from this very area where the market is right now. Market have capacity of just moving a little bit downward, but that does not mean that we are going to see the market begin to crash back to the downside on Euro USD. I am still expecting the market to move all the way to the upside, but that can take some days, okay, into this very week and even next week. If you look at the RSI indicator, the market is moving a little bit upward, but notwithstanding, we are not following indicator to trade. Rather, indicator is following our direction to further give us consolidation about what we want to do in the market. So for me, I am looking at the market continuation of this very move to the upside, and the reason why is because we've seen this very move create a new high, and then from this very point, market retrace, end of retracement, market continuation to the upside for this very impulsive move. So this very impulsive move is still in play, even though we see some bearish candle begin to form right here. Market have capacity of continuation to the upside at the moment on Euro USD 1-day chart. And this is what I am paying attention to right now and watching critically on this very note. So pay attention to buying the market on Euro USD. Like I said earlier in one of my videos, buying the market will be the right thing to do right now on Euro USD, other than looking for a sell opportunity on Euro USD. So from this very point, we're going to see the market begin to move all the way to the upside. And if you notice, this is already in an upward movement. So if you draw this from here to this very point, you discover this is giving us a nice trend line, which means the market is in this very upward move. If you draw same from this very point or from here all the way to this very area, see the market is also in this upward direction. Okay, so what this means is we need to maintain this very trend line for market to continue moving upward. So even though we see the market begin to move all the way to the downside and this trend line is not broken, then market is still going to move all the way to the upside on Euro USD. This is very, very important at the moment. Until we see this break, market is in an uptrend. We are still going to continue buying the market on Euro USD. So at the moment, pay attention to buying the market on the 1-day chart Euro USD, and on Euro USD 4-hour chart right here. If you notice here, I was talking about a breakout of this very level of resistance. So we have a resistance trend line from this very point. If you draw from here all the way to the downside, you see this is a resistance trend line, and from here market breakout at this very point. After this breakout, market created a new high, and right now we are seeing retracement. Now this retracement is very important because after this very long impulsive move to the upside and a creation of a new high, market need to retrace for continuation. So that is what we are seeing right now, and it is normal, and the market need this retracement for a resting period before continuation again to the upside. And if you look at the RSI indicator, market already entered into overbought condition at this very point. Coming out of overbought condition is what we are seeing right now. Market is going to come down a little bit before we can see the market begin to move all the way to the upside. So right now on the 4-hour chart Euro USD, pay attention. Don't sell right now because there is a retracement coming in, and I want to tell you when this retracement have ended for us to enter a buy opportunity for market to continue all the way to the upside. So wait on the Euro USD 4-hour chart for this retracement to end. Then at the end of this retracement coming to the market right now, we're going to take a buy opportunity or buy position for the market to move upward, as at that time the RSI might have entered into the oversold condition, further consolidating our entry. Okay, so this is what you must have to pay attention to and look out for right now on your chart. So put this in the perspective of your trading and check if it aligns with your strategy and begin to look at the market in this direction. As you see JPY become stronger in the coming days, pay attention to all of this right now. Please support this channel by leaving the like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for all that forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Check it out and do the registration with the broker right now. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.